Hey everyone, so you're trying to register a domain and you're stuck between Namecheap and Cloudflare. I get it, both are super popular, both have great pricing, but here's the thing, they're actually pretty different once you dig deeper. In this video, I'm breaking down the real differences pricing tricks, DNS speed, security features, and who actually wins for your specific needs. And hey, if this helps you out, smash that like button and subscribe because we do these deep dives every week. Overview. Namecheap is a traditional domain registrar. You buy domains, hosting, email, SSL, certificates. It's a one-stop shop. Been around since 2000, manages over 18 million domains. Cloudflare is primarily a CDN and security company. They added domain registration in 2018, but here's the kicker. They sell domains at cost. No markup, zero profit on domains. They make money from their other services. Already sounds different, right? Let's get into it. Pricing, the real cost. Namecheap advertises super cheap first-year prices like $5.98 for a.com, but renewal, that jumps to around $13.98, classic bait-and-switch pricing. Cloudflare, flat pricing, always at cost. A.com is about $9.77 per year, first year and renewal. No surprises, no upsells. What you see is what you pay, forever. Winner, Cloudflare, if you hate price games and want predictable costs. DNS performance. This is huge. DNS speed affects how fast your website loads globally. Cloudflare operates the world's fastest DNS network, 1.1.1.1. We're talking sub 20 milliseconds query times in most regions. It's literally built into their infrastructure. Namecheap's DNS, it's decent free DNS, premium DNS, they work fine for most sites. But in real-world tests, Cloudflare is consistently to negative 3x faster, especially if you have global traffic. Winner, Cloudflare, and it's not even close. User interface and ease of use. Namecheap has a traditional familiar dashboard. Domain management, email forwarding, URL, redirects, it's all there, clearly labeled. If you've used GoDaddy or any registrar before, you'll feel at home. Cloudflare's dashboard is more technical. It's clean, modern, but it's built for people who know what DNSSEC, CAA records, and proxying mean. There's a learning curve. Winner, Namecheap if you want simple and straightforward. Features and extras. Namecheap bundles a lot. Free WHOIS, privacy, WHOIS, email forwarding, URL forwarding, and they push hosting and SSL upsells. Cloudflare gives you free WHOIS privacy, free DNSSEC, free email routing. You can create custom email addresses that forward to Gmail, and access to their CDN and security features if you use their name servers. Here's the catch. Cloudflare doesn't offer hosting or traditional email accounts. You still need a separate host. Winner. Tie depends on what you need. Namecheap for bundles, Cloudflare for advanced DNS features. Security. Both offer WHOIS privacy, but Cloudflare includes DNSSEC by default protects against DNS spoofing attacks. Namecheap offers it, but you have to enable it manually. Plus, if you use Cloudflare's name servers, you get free DDoS protection and a web application firewall. That's enterprise-level security for free. Winner. Cloudflare significantly better security out of the box. Support. Namecheap has 24/7 live chat and a massive knowledge base. Response times are usually under 5 minutes. Phone support is available too. Cloudflare? Mostly email and community forums unless you're on a paid plan. Support can take 24 to 48 hours. Winner, Namecheap way better for beginners who need handholding. Alright, bottom line. Choose Namecheap if you're a beginner and want everything in one place. You need reliable customer support. You want bundled services like hosting and email. Choose Cloudflare if you want transparent, at-cost pricing with no renewal hikes. You need the fastest DNS and best security. You're comfortable with a more technical interface. You already use or plan to use Cloudflare CDN. Personally, I use Cloudflare for all my domains now. The pricing, transparency, and performance are unbeatable, but if you're just starting out, Namecheap won't steer you wrong. That's it. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Namecheap or Team Cloudflare? I'll drop links to both in the description. If this video helped you make a decision, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.